back. This is FM Show News. Today we are back with another video that has been hitting headlines regarding the President Mount Kenya tour visit. Today Moses Kuria hinted that he will miss the President Ruto's Mount Kenya a visit that will be highly publicized, the 5-day tour of Mount Kenya region. On Monday, March 31st, national dailies widely reported on President Ruto's planned tour of the Mount Kenya region. On Tuesday, April 1, President William Ruto is said to start his highly publicized development tour of the Mount Kenya region. The paper reported that Ruto is returning to the Mount Kenya region without five of his key political pillars who contributed to his win in 2022. They are former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, former Cabinet Secretaries Moses Kuria, Justin Muturi, Mithika Linturi, and Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro. Curiously, Kuria, despite serving as one of Ruto's many advisors on the economy, will reportedly not accompany the Kenya Kwanza leader during his Mount Kenya tour. Political analyst Charles Joroge believes Ruto's ability to overcome political obstacles in Mount Kenya without the support of 5 key figures will be a key test. Most of them enjoy a huge influential and have a massive following, while Ruto's remaining loyalists lack charisma, Joroge said. The publication reported on the government's ongoing effort to retrieve the body of a Kenyan police officer killed in Haiti. The Multinational Security Support (MSS) has initiated talks with the Haitian gang that has detained the body of Kenyan police officer. Negotiates her other way to have the gang release the body of Benedict Kuria Kabiro. Every effort is being made with the belief that the gang will make the best decision of releasing the body to MSS. Already negotiations through a number of avenues have kicked off, said a source. Kabiro's body is believed to be held by the gang identified as VIV Ansanim Living Together, which is led by Jimmy, aka Barbecue Cherisha, a former Haitian police officer. A team is exploring the body retrieval. Kabiro died in a gang ambush in the Port Saud area department. The paper reported on the alleged fraud case involving an online writer identified as Permanes Kavinga Kisegese. Kisegese, who allegedly conned a US-based Kenyan woman Kenyan shillings 870,000, was charged with a cheating under Section 315 of the Penal Code at the Makadara Law Court in Nairobi on March 25th. Kisegese appeared before Magistrate Paraxidis Oduke, denying the charges and requested a bail. According to the charge sheet, the alleged offense occurred between August 14 and August 18, 2023. The publication also reported on former Chief Justice Maraga reaction to claims of being sponsored ahead of the 2022 general election. Speaking on Sunday, March 30th, the former CJ expressed that he is the best candidate for the presidency in 2027. So, the president will be visiting Mount Kenya. We are waiting to see on which development project that Mr. William Ruto is going to launch during his visit to the mountain for the 5 days, which start on 1st of April, that is tomorrow. So, Kimani Gujiri, a member of parliament, and this to say to the president a visit regarding the president visit on Tuesday to the Mount Kenya region. Calls for the Mount Kenya region to warmly welcome President William Ruto continue to intensity. The largest politician from the region to appeal is former Bahati Member of Parliament, MP Onesmus Kimani Gujiri. Gujiri pointed out that Ruto's tour to the region that contributed to over 47% of his total vote is crucial. Nakuru former Bahati Member of Parliament Onesmus Kimani Gujiri has asked residents of the Mount Kenya region to embrace President William Ruto's upcoming tour. Speaking in Nakuru on Saturday, March 29th, Gujiri said Ruto's visit is crucial to the economic expectations of the region that voted for him overwhelmingly. Our region gave him an overwhelming vote of over 47%, and the expectations of service delivery are huge. I beseech all leaders and locals to give him ample time to tour the counties and enumerate government's program in the area, the former MP said. He also cautioned locals against any aggression towards the president team that could tarnish the community's image and standing as intolerant of divergent voices, the MP said. What was witnessed after the president's recent visit in Nairobi should not occur in the region, as it would only succeed to isolate them from the good-meaning citizens of the country. We saw what happened during the tour of Nairobi. After President Ruto left the venue, some characters took advantage of the situation and caused a mayhem to the business community and ordinary people. We don't want to witness such things, as it would easily put our community in a bad light, Gojiri said. In addition, the former legislator said leaders from the region should not incite the peoples to cause isolation. He pointed out that members of the Mount Kenya region diaspora counties are living harmoniously with other communities, and as such would not wish to have instances of politics of friction. President Ruto is expecting to kick off his one-week tour of the Mount Kenya region on Tuesday, April 2, to commission various projects as well as launch others that include road project, markets, electrification programs, and water programs, among others. Over the past few days, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki and a host of leaders from the region have been doing a wide world of trips to the counties to again the public as well as prepare for the presidential trip. His trip comes several months after he stepped into the region after serious fallout with his then Deputy President Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua that culminated his impeachment. Gachagua, for the past few months, has been leading a serious onslaught against President Ruto and his administration, accusing them of betrayal to the people of the mountain and denying them economic program as was agreed. Previously, we reported that former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua asked locals in the vote-rich Mount Kenya region to demand for compensation for attending the president's meeting. Gachagua claimed Ruto will carry along his huge sums of money that locals must be prepared to get a share of. He, however, advised them not to take the money home, but instead use them in paying off Shylock loans. So, the president is visiting the Mount Kenya region. Mount Kenya region, as of 2022, went out in big numbers to vote in the then Deputy President, who is now the President of the Republic of Kenya, that is Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. We are waiting to see on which development program the President is going to lay down. Continue following our stories. We are yet to update you with what will be happening since the President or after the President lands in the Mount Kenya region, where he will be using the Sagana Presidential Lodge to sleep and meet all the Mount Kenya leaders. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment section. Let's meet in our next video.